Welcome to my channel. There are many different types of NanoSteamer large 3-in-1 Nano-Ionic Facial Steamer with precise temp control available, each with different qualities, advantages, and costs. Please read my description if you are interested in learning more about the price and other details. Let's watch the video without further ado. Nano-Ionic Facial Steamer and Humidifier. The Pure Daily Care NanoSteamer is a new type of steamer that generates nano-ionic steam. NanoSteamer does this by combining a conventional heating element with a new ultrasonic vaporizer to produce nanosteam with negatively charged ionic particles. Nanosteam combined with ionic water particles is up to 10x more effective in penetrating the skin. Professional 5-piece skin kit included. A bonus 5-piece stainless steel blackhead and blemish extractor kit is included with every NanoSteamer. This kit includes 5 precise instruments that complement your NanoSteamer perfectly. Follow up your steaming session by using this kit to remove blackheads and blemishes effortlessly for perfect skin after every use. Genuine 3-in-1 beauty and wellness device. NanoSteamer is a truly multifunctional device that can also be set to humidify a room and has an extra chamber to warm towels for ultimate refreshment or a quick and easy makeup removal. Full-size steamer with the longest running time. NanoSteamer is the only full-size device with a larger 200 ml water tank that allows for 30 minutes of working time with a completely silent operation. It also includes an auto shut-off sensor that powers NanoSteamer down when water runs out. What's in the box? 1 NanoSteamer Facial Steamer, 5-piece stainless steel skin kit with storage pouch, power cable, instruction, and support contact manual. Check out the description to find the product link. Thank you for watching this video.